And, you know, people seeing that idea, the Muhammad's, you know, there's a reason for the plural in the Bible, the Mechmadim. But part 12 of chapter 4. One beautiful moonlight night, Jalal and Shems were together on the terraced roof of the college, and all the inhabitants of Kanya were sleeping on their housetops. Shems remarked, "See all these poor creatures, they are dead to every sense of their creator. On this beautiful night of God's decree, wilt thou not, Jalal, of thy infinite compassion, wake them up and let them gain a share in the shower of blessings of this night?" Thus appealed to Jalal, faced towards Mecca, and offered up this prayer to God: "O thou Lord of heaven and of earth, for the love of thy servant, Shamsuddin, vouchsafe wakefulness to this people." Immediately a black cloud gathered from the unseen world, thunders and lightnings burst forth, and so heavy a rain fell that all the sleepers, catching up what clothing they could find, quickly took refuge in their houses below. Shems smiled at the saintly joke and was greatly amused. When daylight dawned, the disciples gathered round, numerous as the raindrops of that shower, and Shems related to them the story with the following remarks: "Hitherto all the prophets and saints have ever sought to hide from vulgar eyes the miraculous powers they have possessed, so that none should be aware of the fact. But now our Lord and Master Jalal has been so successful in secretly following up on the path of mystic love that his miraculous powers have hitherto escaped the searching eyes of even the chiefest of God's elect, even as it hath been said, verily God hath saints of whom no man knoweth." And when we get past the names and individual examples, then perhaps maybe we can figure out some of the others, right?